Today we'll talk about how can you change your language on your Get Your Guide app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down here. You click here on profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do next, so you just click here on language here, you just click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here, and here can you change your language here. So can you select it here. So that's all you have to do to change your language. We find here a lot of languages here. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.